All right, this is our final example, and we need to use a reference triangle to find tangent of -pi6. Now, you'll notice that the angle measure is negative. So instead of going in the counterclockwise direction, we got to go in the clockwise direction. First things first, let's label our x-axis with those radian values. Okay, so we need to divide our bottom half this time because it's negative. We need to divide the bottom half into 6 equal pieces. So let's do that super quickly. I'm going to try and make these a little bit straighter. This is probably one of my better drawings. And then just remind ourselves that it is part of a circle. Okay, we only need one of those 6 pieces. We just need to be going in the opposite direction. So right here is where we have our terminal side. Now we already know that that value right there is a -pi6. So we already know our reference angle. Our reference angle is also going to be pi6 or 30 degrees. So if we draw our perpendicular line, we've made ourselves a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Now remember, on a 30, 60, 90 triangle, the hypotenuse length is always going to be 2. The side opposite 30 is always going to be 1, but because the y values are negative, it's a -1 in this case, leaving our remaining side length to be square root of 3. Okay, now let's figure out which one's the opposite, which one's the adjacent, and so forth. Well, we're going off of this 30-degree angle measure right here. So -1 is going to be our opposite. Square root of 3 becomes our adjacent, leaving 2 to be the hypotenuse. Okay, tangent uses O and A, so opposite over adjacent. So we have -1 over the square root of 3. Now you can leave it like that, or if you learned it a little differently, you can also turn that into square root of 3 over 3. Both of those answers will work. Let me know if you have any other questions on how to do the reference triangles, but good luck with that progress check.